I have this king hauler bed up for grabs here. It's a bolt-on kit for stock day cab king hauler. Comes with all the stuff you need to make it work other than the speed control. It's got enough wire to reach into the cab. Lift is wired up with limit switches. Set up with a 6-volt motor, so it's ideally going to be run with 7.2, 7.4 volt range. I do have one of my own trucks running 8.4 and it works good. See the automatic tailgate latches let go, tailgate opens. As the bed comes down the catch, that's on the top limit switch there. Yeah, it's going to come with this bumper with Russ's bezels and lenses in there, and the mud flaps, whatever. It's going to come with those goodies. That's actually part of the rear mount as well. So I just decided, instead of putting a standard just plain bumper with this one, I'd put a nicer bumper with it. I'm looking for $800 US plus shipping for the whole kit. Like I say, it'll fit stock suspension, stock cross members, all that. It's direct bolt on. Should go on in just a few minutes. Super easy. So yeah, hopefully someone's interested in this thing and wants to take it away before it gets dusty. That would be great. Thanks for watching.